extraordinarily open-minded. They all know I'm a physicist. And because we have a huge department, that's a great reason means I never have to teach anything like organic chemistry, which I'd be terrible at teaching because I'm a physicist. So instead, I teach physical chemistry, which is essentially thermodynamics for chemistry students. And then I also teach freshman chemistry, which everyone can teach. And then that's fine. It's really lovely being in this huge department because they can hire all sorts of freaks like me. They can hire physical chemists who will never teach organic chemistry. They can hire biochemists who will never teach physical chemistry. And because I'm a biophysicist, it was really an advantage when I was applying for positions because I applied in all sorts of departments. And I would rewrite my application every time. I'd say, like, I'm so thrilled to teach. Whatever it is to teach. And then I would look up what they teach. And so it gave me a lot of options in terms of that. I'd be happy to tell you how I entered biophysics because it certainly wasn't where I thought I would.
Tell us.
Okay. Okay.
I'm here.
All right. So I went to grad school because I had no idea what to do with myself, and I didn't write that in the application. But then I was like, well, what will I do? The research I'd done as an undergraduate was in atomic physics, so I joined an atomic physics group. They were doing intellectually interesting stuff, and the people were nice enough, but I wasn't having any fun. And I would walk down this super long hallway every day, trudging to my dark, dark lab. I would pass this other lab filled with absolutely complete goofballs. And they were having like so much fun every single day. They loved coming into work, and they loved what they were doing, and I had no idea what they did. And I was like, I don't know what they do, I'm gonna work there. And it turned out they did biophysics, and I was really super intimidated. And I was like, oh, biophysics, you must have to know some biology. No, don't have to know any biology. I hadn't particularly enjoyed biology in high school, and in fact it has nothing to do with that biology I took in high school. And what you learn in college is how to learn. And so you're pluripotent. You can go and do any field. I felt very intimidated as if I should have like known what to do. And I think when you talk to professors, like I get introduced when I give talks as Sarah Keller, she's a biophysicist. And it makes it sound like I knew what I was doing. You don't have to know. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you for answering my question. I'm Paula Heron. I'm a physicist here in the physics department, University of Washington. My research area is physics education research, so I do research on how people learn physics. But not only did I not know I was going to end up in that field, I didn't even know that was a field until I was almost through graduate school. So like a lot of, I think like a lot of women actually, even when I went to college, I didn't know I wanted to study physics. I thought I'd go to med school or something. And when I found myself studying physics, I then went to grad school because that's what you do, right, if you don't have any other ideas. But when I was in graduate school and I was doing condensed matter physics, I would find myself, like if I was lying awake at night trying to figure something out, it was almost always a problem that came up in my teaching. But I didn't know that anybody studied the teaching of physics in a really systematic, rigorous way until somebody from this department came and gave a colloquium in my department. I was like, that's it. That's what I want to do. I want to study, like a physicist, how people think about physics. I came here to do a postdoc, and then I got a faculty position here, which was extremely lucky because it's not so common that you end up where you were a postdoc or a graduate student. And now that is my field of physics, and I'm thrilled to be contributing to the growth of that field. My grad students, the grad students from our group go off and they start groups in other places. So there's many, many more departments in the United States and Canada where you can get a degree in physics for research that's on learning and teaching physics instead of on graphene or solar neutrinos or supersymmetry or whatnot. So that's my story in a nutshell. Also some turns along the way.
Hi. Thank you. My name is Anna Purseo. I'm a particle physicist and also I'm the faculty here in this department. If you wonder about my accent, I'm Greek. So I grew up in Greece and went to the university there for undergrad. And then I came to the US for graduate school and then I stayed. My path is a little different from my colleagues in that I fell in love with physics when I was 15 at high school. The first time we had physics, it was just a revelation for me. It was like love at first sight because physics teaches you how the world works. We started with mechanics and that's what we learned. And then as we were going to more senior levels in high school, we would move from mechanics to E&M, to atomic, to nuclear. And so I would learn not only how the world works, but also what it is made of and maybe how it started. And that deepened my love for physics. And at the beginning of the last year in high school, CERN, which is the European Laboratory for Particle Physics, was celebrating their 30th anniversary, and Greece was one of the founding member states. So they had an exhibit that was going all around the member states, and they came to the city where I was growing up, and we went there with a few of my fellow students and our physics teachers, and that was the first time I heard about quarks. And it was the biggest, like, not only love at first sight, it was like something hit me on my head. It was at that level, and I knew I wanted to do particle physics for the rest of my life. So I entered university knowing that I wanted to do particle physics and then go abroad to do a PhD and continue research in that field. And that's what I ended up doing. So here I am.
I'm Paula Rodriguez Hidalgo. Also have an accent, it's a mix of stories here. I'm from Spain. I also moved here for grad school. I'm not sure when I fell in love with physics and astronomy, but in high school, really I loved it. I thought I didn't think I was going to do that. I was going to be a journalist. I was going to stop words in the world. That's what I wanted to do. Like the first time that I saw a word on TV, I was like, told my mom, like, people know about this, like we have to tell them and stop them. And then I was going to be a journalist, a war correspondent, travel the world, show everybody that this should happen. And then in high school I ended up being very good at math and physics, and in Spain you had to choose at 15 whether you're going to go into science or humanities, and suddenly I have to make a decision between I'm not that good at history and writing, and I'm good at math and physics. And then I chose math and physics, but then I don't have a future goal because I just had this idea since I was 8. End up being that research and journalist, I don't think it's that different because you want to know about something and then you explore. So I think that idea of like trying to a goal, like it was similar. Math, physics, going to college, I decided to do physics because in Spain it was very focused. You had to take math, physics, and philosophy planning, that's it. And a bit of chemistry and biology, which I hated too in high school because it was memorization and I couldn't do that. And suddenly I'm in the major and I don't know what to do, and I started exploring theoretical physics, astronomy, but it was mostly professors, and suddenly a summer school in Canary Islands is like, you can go and then study astronomy for a week, astrophysics, in Spain it's called astrophysics. So I went there and then I fell in love. I think that's probably the moment where I was like, this is what I want to do, and I want to do it here with these people that are teaching so well, because the teaching of physics and how you do it is very important, right? So I moved to Canary Islands. There we have access to the telescopes because it's a major observatory in Spain, so the undergrads playing with telescopes, so it's really cool. And then when I did observational astronomy for the first time, I was like, this is it, that's what I'm going to do. And then I crossed the ocean to do the PhD in the University of Florida. Go Gators. By law or something. The Gator Nation. And then did my postdoc in Penn State, another postdoc in Canada, in York University. Then I was a visiting faculty at the University of Toronto for a year. I said I want to teach, but I wanted a place where teaching was important besides research because I like them both. So I started exploring, and I actually was a faculty for California State for 3 years, which I thought the combination of research and teaching would be balanced, and then it wasn't a balance. I wanted more the teaching than the research. I wasn't ready to give up my research, and that's when I actually arrived at the University of Washington, Walthall, only 5 minutes. He 3, and then it's like, no, 4, now it's 5. In August. I arrived in August. So this is my second quarter. First time doing work. And I love it here so far. I really love the interaction with undergrad because that's when I fell in love the moment that I started doing research and observational astronomy. Felt like everything connected. Like now it was physics with exploring the universe and learning about how we are answering the philosophical questions of like, how did we come here? What is going to happen with the universe and things like that. To study quasars, that are galaxies that are far, far away, the supermassive black hole in their center, and we're trying to study galaxy evolution through them.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Amal Al-Wahish. I came from Middle East, Jordan. My parents are Palestinian. And I am a scientist. I am a mom and condensed matter physicist. So I think I didn't fall in love with physics from the beginning. I was need physics to understand something. In Middle East, we have 3 religions. We have Islam, Judaism, and Christianity. And they teach, unfortunately, religion in the class. And I was like, be separated in a certain, you have your body, your best friend, snuggling, and suddenly, oh, the Christian friend go to the class of the religion, Christian, and the Muslim go to the Muslim, and the Jews will go, and so on. So you have to go to one of these classes. I didn't like that idea. So I tried to visit sneaking out because my parents are Muslim, my mother, her great-grandmother is Jewish, and all this mixture, I want to know what they teach in the other class. So I was sneaking, but I'm not allowed to be there. So I saw them common. I saw them no different, actually. No difference in the basic fundamental. So I hide in the library. Instead of go to these classes, I hide in the library, I find beautiful book about electrons. It was amazing, that color, because Arabic books is boring. They are dark, white, black, but that book was different, full of color. And I started reading it. I spent all these religion classes in the library hiding, and no one cared where I am, actually. The teacher doesn't care. She has a plenty of the students, so you can sneak, you go to the bathroom, you hide, you see your boyfriend, you are in middle school. Then I figured out physics. I said, to reach my answer about this religion, I think we should go to science. And from science, because it's more approach that can I understand in my mind, in that actually I was in the second grade. Then they failed me in the second grade in religion, because I didn't answer all the questions. It was a shock, because I was fabulous in science, doing great, A student, and when they called me to give me that award of at full score in science, like they give award, they said, no, she fell in religion. So I'm standing to take my award, and the other teacher of religion, she fell in religion, don't give her nothing. I decided, I'm not religious anymore, I will be scientist, and this is the place I can fit. After the war, because we moved to Kuwait, the Gulf War shaped my direction. I was like 14, 13 years old. And I decided, why people fighting for oil, we should not fight for such a thing. Our life is precious. Peace is beautiful. So seeing the war, seeing how it affects life, I decided to go to energy material in specific. So from 8th grade, I start shaping my direction toward that. So I decided to come to America. It's a beautiful place to start with. And here I am. I travel a lot. I taught in Tennessee. I finished my PhD from Tennessee. I worked 7 years in Oak Ridge National Lab there. Then I moved to nuclear reactor. And I was the first Arabic woman entering that place. It was fun to see how I am different. I didn't see Afro-American there. I didn't see Chinese much. I didn't see Asian. And I was the Jordanian with heavy accent, the only one who doesn't understand her accent there. And I love working in the nuclear reactor. But my husband teaches here at the University of Washington, so I move on my package. I want to spend more time with my family, with my daughter. And she's American, and she loves America. And I love America, so I came to Seattle. And I fall in love with Seattle. Seattle is beautiful. Thank you. If you have more questions, I will answer it.
Awesome. Thank you all. I don't think you guys need me, so or you need me. So
In charge.
please ask. Just go ahead and ask anyone questions if they're directed at someone or just the entire panel. So don't ask questions. Don't make them ask the questions.
Mine's not really a question, but kind of a comment, because I thought that it was interesting how you said you were searching for something other than religion.